Got my Lazy Susan today. This is the box it came in. I don't know if you can see, there's a crease here in the box. It only goes around 1/2 of the box, and the tape goes over it, so that was there before it was taped. So that is not a sign of being damaged. There's a small crease up in this corner that looks like it might have been hit in the corner. I'm just kind of pointing this at the camera since I'm doing this without holding the camera. Apologies if I'm not holding it in the right spot, but basically there's no big signs of damage, other than I guess this one corner. It obviously says fragile on it. This is the Granite Earth Lazy Susan. I opened it up already. This is just to show that it's got packing material, bubble wrap here. Lazy Susan is inside a thin plastic bag. Took it out, and the thing about the Granite Earth Lazy Susan is that it's already got all the holes drilled in it specifically for R2D2. The problem is, you can see it spins and then it stops. It spins about 2 inches in each direction and then completely binds up. There's no way I'm turning that all the way in a circle. So I took my chances with Granite Earth. I had heard good and bad things. I thought not having to drill the extra holes by getting just a standard Lazy Susan, paying a little extra for the Granite Earth one would be a good idea, but it looks like it bit me. Some people get good ones, some people have issues. This one, for whatever reason, it will not go in a circle. It's visibly, can't really tell that it's damaged, but I don't want to mess with that. I'm not gonna try and really force it in a circle and see if I can make it rotate by forcing it. To me, this is bad, and I will be trying to return this and probably not get another one from Granite Earth. I will probably get one from Amazon. There's a brand on Amazon that people get that they seem to be happy with. And it's also $25 cheaper than this one when you include shipping. So, just wanted to show my luck. The Lazy Susan, there's a plug hole there that you can take the screw out of and get the bearings out if you were to replace the bearings with Duralin. It's like a hard plastic bearing that's quieter and smoother, and then people also take the 2 rings apart and they'll polish the tracks, all in an effort to get it to smooth out and be more quiet. But yeah, I don't want to pay. This was almost $70 shipped, and it doesn't even spin in a circle, so I'm not going to mess with it. It's going to go back.